Now, how important is charging speed to you? Well, let's pretty much find out between the OnePlus Nord 4 versus the Galaxy S24 Plus. Let's get into it. Now for the battery and charging specs, starting with the OnePlus Nord 4. It is packing a massive 5,500 mAh battery, and it does support OnePlus's SuperVOOC 100-watt charging, but there's no plug included in the box, and it does come with the correct USB-A to USB-C cable to give you the supported speed with the correct plug. For the Galaxy S24 Plus, it is packing a 4,900 mAh battery, and it does support Samsung's super fast charging 2.0 standards at 45 watts. But you have to be careful because there is no 45-watt plug that comes included, or any plug that comes included at all. And the original cable that comes in the box does not support the 2.0 super fast charging speeds at 45 watts. You do have to use a rated 5-amp cable like we are doing in this test to be able to unlock the super fast charging 2.0 indicator and speeds at 45 watts. Now for the parameters of this wire battery charging test between the Nord 4 and the S24 Plus, any form of battery limitation when it comes to charging to 80%, 75% or 90% has been disabled to make sure we get 100% charge all the way through to the end. And any form of fast charging features that need to be enabled to make sure we get the best charging speeds all the way through, we have been able to enable it to allow it to do that. These phones are on the latest software updates, and we are using USB wattage readers to see what the real-time wattage pull is from the plug as we go through. By the way, let's get into it. Let's start things off with this wired battery charging test between the Nord 4 versus the Galaxy S24 Plus. This is following directly after our extreme battery drain test of the Nord 4 versus the S24 Plus versus the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Well, the 15 Pro Max has been relegated to being the stopwatch because ain't no way was I going to be waiting more than 2 hours for that phone to charge from 0 to 100%. I've barely got enough patience for the S24 Plus, and we all know the Nord with this SuperVOOC charging at 100 watts, even though it doesn't come included in the box this time around, it's pretty much going to be goated when it comes to charging. Now, let's go to the first 15-minute interval of this charging, and what will we be when it comes to the battery. 56% battery charge to 38.9 degrees Celsius on the Nord. And then we've got 33% battery, 37.5 degrees Celsius on the S24 Plus. So you really can see it. Of course, if you look at the USB wattage reader, the yellow section of it at the bottom is the real-time wattage draw from the wall. When we get to the half-an-hour interval, the Nord 4 is cruising. 97% battery, 38.1 degrees Celsius compared to 53% battery, 38.1 degrees Celsius. So the Nord is pretty much going to be finishing up, considering it's packing a 5,500 mAh battery. And I don't know how OnePlus really does this, but it's just been something they've been a staple of for time. Now, the first indication of 100% is actually at 31 minutes and 29 seconds, a temperature reading of 37.8 degrees Celsius, but actually it wasn't fully charged based on a UI notification. So there will be a second indication of when it's truly 100%. This is something I just noticed as I was going through. I left the screen on, and you'll see the UI notification pop up on the top left to pretty much show green that it is 100%, which is at 34 minutes and 28 seconds with a final temperature reading of 36.9 degrees Celsius. So kind of a strange one. If it's not truly 100%, why does it indicate it? But yeah, this is what I had here. So I just thought for transparency, you can pretty much see it. That's the Nord 4 pretty much done. Only focuses on the S24 Plus, 45 minutes, and it's on 75% battery, 37.5 degrees Celsius for the temperature reading. So as we're getting through, the next interval is obviously the 60-minute mark, 1 hour, to pretty much see where we are with the S24 Plus that is using the super fast charging 45 watts 2.0. 92% battery, 35.4 degrees Celsius for the temperature reading, which is decent, I guess, but at least it should be charged 100% within an hour. But here we are, 1 hour and 15 minutes, 98% battery, 33.3 degrees Celsius, trickle charging all the way through, and we should pretty much be seeing it wrap up anytime now. 99% battery to 100%. In second place, 1 hour, 18 minutes and 14 seconds with a final temperature reading of 34.1 degrees Celsius on the S24 Plus. If you've not watched it already, then be sure to check out our extreme battery drain test on the Nord 4 versus the S24 Plus and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. That will be linked in the description below and the cards at the end. But what's your thoughts on a charging speed difference between these two? Let me know in the comment section below. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Level Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.